Hello everyone, today we're doing an amazing, delicious maple butternut whole wheat muffin recipe. And these are amazing if you need something to take with you and go on a busy morning, and they're a whole lot healthier for you than something that you could grab at the coffee shop or the gas station. And they have a vegetable. So we're going to start off by preheating our oven to 325. So this recipe makes about 24 muffins, so you're going to need to grease your tins. Even if they're nonstick, I find it helps. And we're going to go in with a medium bowl. We're going to mix in 1/3 of a cup of olive oil and 1/2 cup of maple syrup together. So this recipe is adapted from Cookie and Kate's pumpkin muffin recipe, which you can find on her website, which if you have pumpkin on hand is also super good. Next, we're going to crack in 2 eggs to our maple syrup and oil mixture. Next, we're going to put in about 1/4 cup of almond milk, but you can use any type of milk that you have on hand. And now for the star of the show, we're going to go ahead and put 1 cup of butternut squash puree into our mixture. Now in a smaller bowl, we're going to go ahead and make our pumpkin spice blend. So I'm using some ground cinnamon first. And I'm going to put about 1 teaspoon into our bowl. Next, we've got some ginger. I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of that in there. And we're going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg in there as well. And last but not least, 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice or cloves. So now you can go right ahead and put that spice mixture into our ingredients. And then we're just going to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda along with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Once that's all mixed in, we can go ahead and add our flour. So we're going to add about 1 3/4 of a cup of whole wheat flour. Now when you're doing this part, you don't want to mix it too much, otherwise it'll make the muffins tough instead of nice and fluffy. I forgot to record myself putting in some rum, but I did put about a tablespoon of rum extract in this as well. Once everything is mixed together, we can go ahead and divide our mixture evenly among our muffin tins. And now we can pop those into our preheated oven. Those will need to stay in there for about 22 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and start making our glaze. So we're gonna go put about half a cup of icing sugar into our small bowl that we had before. We're gonna throw in another teaspoon of cinnamon. And about 1/8 of a cup of maple syrup once again. And now for the fun part, we're gonna go ahead and put about 1/8 of a cup of rum or whiskey into our glaze mixture. Now that the muffins are done, we're gonna pull them out of the oven and check for doneness with a toothpick. If you insert it and it comes out clean, you know your muffins are done. So before we take out the muffins, I'm gonna loosen the edges with a butter knife, as you can see. Now you should really probably wait until they're fully cooled to put on your glaze, but I couldn't resist. Top with a little granola and you're good to go. And there you have it, butternut maple rum muffins, made with whole wheat, but you would never know. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know what other recipes you'd like to see, and I'll see you soon.